Hi, my name is David, and today I'm going to record the question 3 from oscillation questions. So, question 3A asks, uh, by reference to simple harmonic motion, state what is meant by amplitude. So, according to IB definition, amplitude is equal to half the difference between the peak and the lowest point in simple harmonic motion. Also, B shows this experiment where liquid is contained in a U-tube, and the pressure on the liquid on one side makes the liquid oscillates in the U-tube. And question B1 asks what is meant by damping, and according to IB definition, damping is an influence upon an oscillatory system that has the effect of reducing the oscillation. Question B2 asks, question 2 gives the equation A equals negative 2g over Lx, where A is the acceleration of the liquid, G is obviously the gravitational force, and L is the total length of the liquid column. And it asks, explain with reference to the motion of the liquid the significance of the minus sign. So from this equation, we can see that acceleration is disproportionately when acceleration increases, then the displacement decreases, which means that it is directly opposite to each other. Question 2-3 asks whether how the period of oscillation can be calculated, knowing that the total length of the liquid column is 0.32 meter. So here we can see that the total length of the column is 0.32 meter, and we can use the equation T equals 2 pi root L over 2G to just plug it in 0.32 in L and solve the equation, which is 0.80 meter second, 0.80 second. Question C gives the diagram which looks like this, and it asks how P would move on the graph, how particle P at the point marked on the string would move according to the direction of motion. Since we know that direction is going forward, since the direction of wave is going forward, we can see that the P would go up as eventually the wave would start shifting to the right side. Also, question C2 asks whether how the magnitude of the velocity of particle P can be calculated, and this can be calculated by knowing that there's a grid drawn in the diagram over here, and we can see that YB, which is the total Y value, is 0.05 meter, whereas the P point is actually at 0.03 meter. So since we know that YB is equal to 0.05 meter and Y is equal to 0.03 meter, we also know that W is equal to 2 pi over the period, which we know the period is 0.80. So since we know that, we can know that W is equal to 7.80 radians per second. Since we know that, we use the equation V equals W root YB squared minus Y squared, which we see here. According to the equation, we can know that the magnitude of the velocity of particle P at this point is 0.21 meter per second. Thank you.